this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Itomen crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider if you want to get one and get a discount. This is Itomen sauce Yakisoba. So that just means it's like the Yakisoba. If you've gone out and had Yakisoba and it has Yakisoba sauce on it, it's the same deal. Okay? It's gonna taste like what you expect Yakisoba tastes like. It's not a tonkatsu Yakisoba. It's not a shio Yakisoba. You know, not a curry. It's just regular, straight old Yakisoba. And there is our noodle block. So 220 mils of water. Basically what happens is you let it kind of hang out while it comes to a boil, and it's starting to suck up some of the liquid. Basically once you're done, you don't have anything but noodle. It sucks up all the liquid. So now you'll know. There's quite a few brands that do it this way. Sapporo Ichiban Chow Mein. That one is the same deal. I really like that one too. I've never tried this one. I really like Itomen stuff. Their little theme song, it's just Itomen. Kind of funny. Oh, what's been going on? Apparently we had a president that didn't like to use the word yesterday. That's kind of funny and weird and not funny at the same time. We've been watching The Boys. I think we are very close to the last episode of the season. I don't know, that might be it for that show. Everybody's ready to kill everybody, so. If you haven't seen it, it's basically a show about corrupt superheroes and a company that makes superheroes using chemicals. It's really cool. It's really a neat deal. I've never been a big fan of like the superhero genre per se. Never been like all about Marvel and DC. I just never got into that. But what's funny is over the years I've noticed like there's a lot of my friends that are like all of a sudden into comic books. I'm like, why are you into comic books? You're not a kid. Like, dude. I'm like, okay, all right. Simmer down now. All right, we're getting there, folks. We are getting there. Notice now the noodle has pretty much come out of its block form. We'll let it simmer a little. I made some really good chicken. There's this stuff. It's a company called McCormick. They make a lot of spices. Well, they have this Peruvian seasoning that seems to work with freaking everything I can throw at it. But it works really well with chicken. I need to get a new pot or pan. This thing's kind of... Man, that certainly seems like more water than should be in there. It said 220. I'm gonna let her simmer down. Suck it up. We'll see what happens. We'll give it time. Yeah. Man, I'm thirsty. Time for a beverage. Oh yeah, the other night there was supposed to be Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights. And I found this website where you can like look to see if they're actually going to happen. And it said there was like a 60% chance. Now, there's a reason they call the Northern Lights, because if you look to the north, you'll probably see them. I don't know if you can go anywhere and look to the south and see them. But that's exactly what I went and did. I went down where there's like this big sweeping view of the sky, and it's on Lake Washington. And I shot video. I sat there for about an hour and a half after the sunset. Got harassed by a cop, although he was like, it was hardly being harassed. He was like, how's it going? What you up to tonight, sir? I'm like, well, I know. They're the Northern Lights. I know I'm pointing south, but I'm just trying, you know. A lot of planes in the sky, so I'll get a time lapse of that. He's like, all right, well, just checking out, you know, park's technically closed, so. Ooh. We are at our golden spot, I think. So I am going to quickly give it a taste in this state. Because I want to add a bunch of stuff into it. It's yakisoba, that's how I do it. I like that. All right, let's do it to it. There's some spring onion. Springity onion. No, I'm sorry. I meant mung bean sprout. Now there's spring onion. Got some chicken with that Peruvian seasoning I was gushing about. Now, get it all ensconced and happified. Really like those mung bean sprouts to come out better, but I don't think I really got time to do much of that before this stuff really starts to stick. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna do the full boat on this sucker. This is decent yakisoba. It doesn't have a strong, how do I put it? It doesn't have that tamarind kind of hit that a lot of yakisoba does. It's just not as strong, but it's really quite good. Here we are. So I've been thinking, there's this thing, I don't really know much about the ins and outs of how it works, but there's this thing called Twitch, and I've been thinking about starting a Twitch stream. A lot of people watch that stuff. But I could stream the show live while I cook, as well as record it for YouTube, because that's fun. But you can like get money. That'd be nice, because this show is not a cash generation cow, which is okay. It's not meant to be. And okay. Aw, chicken, come on. Chicken everywhere. Go like that. Well, I try, I really do. There's some spring onion all around. And of course, how could we do this without the good stuff? There's the good stuff. Got some Kewpie mayo for you. I just like sesame seeds and how they look on plates. And where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I will use this. This is sansho. It's Japanese, like pepper. I tell you what, I think it really gets overlooked. I think it's good stuff and deserves more props. Is that? Oh. And there is your Yakisoba today. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is from Aldo of South Korea. This is an export product. Stir-fried chicken noodle, parenthesis, with soy sauce, parenthesis. And then below it says artificial chicken and beef flavor. So what is it? I don't know. They probably have artificial and chicken and beef seasonings in the packaging. But, yeah, you can see that tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans, the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye!